let me show you guys how to connect your PS4 part to your DS4 Windows. Okay, so first of all, what you should do, I will leave the links below. Go ahead and click on those links. These are the links. Download each and every file of this. The Game Nation DS4 Windows, the Game Nation DS4 profile. Yes, and the Game Nation's runtime 5.07. In case you guys are using Win X64, this is what you should download. If you're using the Win X86, I'm going to leave a link below too for that. So just go ahead and click on the download button. Let me show you for instance. Click on download anyway. I'm not going to download this because I already have it. So and once you're done downloading it, so this is where I have all my files. It should be on your compressed, but I'm not using the compressed. So go to your compressed. You should see the file. The file should be somewhere in your compressed folder. To locate your compressed folder, all you have to do is go to your downloads and click on compressed, right? So your file should be here, but most of my downloaded stuff on the Game Nation folder. So I'm going to open this right away. So you can see I have the Game Nation's runtime 5.07 DS4 Windows profile. So I'm going to go ahead and just install the DS4 Windows. So make sure you have an extractor. I'm using 7-zip, or you can use WinRAR. I'm using WinRAR, so I'm just going to extract this here. You can see I already extracted it. So I already extracted it, which is I have it here. So I'm just going to open it up, which is the DS4 Windows, right? So which is this. Let's extract this. This is the most easiest way to set up this you see on the internet. So once you extract it, you will get this file, right? So open your DS4 Windows. Go ahead and click on the DS4 Windows. Just open it. You can see to run this application, you must install NetF. So would you like? So no need for that. Just go ahead. Go back to your Game Nation, to your compressed. Go back to your compressed folder where you have it, and click on your Game Nation's runtime. Extract this. Yes. Once you have that extracted, this is the folder. Go ahead and open it. Install this file. I'm gonna go ahead and install this file real quick. So I'm gonna click on install. Yes. Just let it do its thing. This shouldn't take more than a minute to install. And yeah, we're good to go. So once you have this installed, click on close. Go back to your compressed file. Go back to where you have all your files downloaded. The DS4 Windows. Don't forget the folder you extracted. Go there, click on it. DS4 Windows, DS4 Windows, right? And just go ahead and open this Windows again. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to pop up. Just click on yes, and you can see it shows install the VG Gym Bus driver. Click install. Yes, all you have to do is click on install, then just click on the finish. Okay, so once you click on that install, you should bring up this option. Click I accept the terms and license. Yeah, install. Right, so you can see that's finished installing. So you click on finish and install this if you want. For me, I'm not going to install this. It says install hide drivers, heat hide drivers. I'm not going to install that. I'm just going to leave it on finish. Yeah, so that's it. So I'll leave it on finish. Then once you have that, I'll leave it on finish. Go on settings. Right, everything the way they are on the settings, and right, so go on profile. Everything should be empty. You have to go back to where you have your files downloaded. Go to compress your stuff, Game Nation's DS4 profile, and extract the profile. Just click on extract to Game Nation DS4 profile. Once you click on that, you can see you have the DS4 profile and the DS4 profile Xbox. So you click on import, find a way and locate that. So you go to your download. It should be on your compress. Like I have mine in my Game Nations inside the compress. So I'm clicking on the profile and load the DS4 profile. You can see it here. I'll do exactly that for the DS4 profile Xbox. Okay, so let's go back to compress. Right, DS4 profile Xbox. Right, so I have both here now. Now that you have both, you have to just all you have to do right now is to plug your controller. I'm going to plug my controller real quick, and let's just go ahead and plug the controller. Just waiting for it to come up. You can see I just plugged it there, and click on the start. Yeah, so once you click on the start, you can see the part has come up. It's up already, and all you have to do is you have to. This is to know your part is connected. This should just click on this use profile color. You can use the blue, or you can use the custom color. I like going with red. Just make sure to look at your pad once you're doing it, and you can see that it's connected already. So no matter whatever light you put here, that's what your pad should have. I'm gonna leave this on the bed. So guys, let me explain what this DS4 profile means and the Xbox. So this means, eventually this means that you're using this normal standard PS4 settings on your PS4 pad. So this is like a profile of a PS4 pad, right? So this profile of a PS4 pad works like on your pad, the way your PS4 pad works, right? But the problem we have with this is that most games on Windows PC don't work with this. So you have, I don't really know the games though. I know not all games are supported with this. But on the other hand, all games are supported with this Xbox profile. Okay, so this means that you're using the Microsoft Xbox pad on your PS4. So that means it just eventually means that you're using the settings of an Xbox controller on your PS4 pad. So that's why they call it the profile. So the profile of an Xbox is what you're using on your PS4 pad. So don't get it wrong. Don't feel that this is different. This is another, you need to find an Xbox pad. No. So this is a PS4 pad, so you can use the configuration. So it's like a configuration of an Xbox pad. So eventually every game, since every game works with an Xbox pad, it means that your PS4 will be able to see those games. Your PS4 pad, it means that your PS4 pad will be able to see those games, right? So that's what it means. So most times you can use the DS4 profile on your PS4 pad, or you can use the DS4 profile Xbox on the pad. Anyone you choose to, just make sure that's what you're using for this. And to make sure to know your pad is working, go to your start, just search for USB, set up USB game controller, and you can see your pad is there. So I'm going to just double click this to be sure. So I'm going to press the pad now to be sure that everything is working perfectly. You can see everything is perfect. Okay, so the start, that's it. So in case you want to connect this with the Bluetooth, this is for the wireless connection. In case you want to connect this with the Bluetooth, I'm going to show you guys how to make this connect with the Bluetooth. So, okay, I'm going to disconnect this right now. So you can see it's disconnected, right? So that is it. So I'm going to make a video now for the Bluetooth. So most of you that want to learn how to connect this to Bluetooth using your DS4 Windows, all you have to do is click on the share button, right? Hold it. Don't click on it, just hold it like I'm holding mine. Then, okay, like this, hold this. You can see there's a button here. You can see there's a button here. So I'm going to hold this, which is the share button. Hold the share button. Then hold this too. So just look on it. It's going to vibrate. So once it starts like that, you can take your hands off both, right? So now it shows that the pad is ready to be connected to your PC because it can share. So I'm going to show you now what to do on your PC. Then we'll go to your Bluetooth. Click on add the Bluetooth device, Bluetooth. So just make sure that your pad is blinking and you can see your wireless controller here. Just click on it and it should connect. You can see mine is connected there, so it's done. And you go there and you see that your pad is connected to your PC. So that is it. So to make sure this thing is working, go back to the USB game controller, right? You have two there, the both are still working. You can see I have the Xbox 360, which is the profile I set. So if I click on it, it's the same thing, right? So I'll click on OK. But if I don't want to have that, if I don't want to use the Xbox 360, then I'm going to use the I'm going to show you guys how to use the PS4 profile. So once you click on that, you see that this stuff has come to this. And when you click back on this, you can see it's back on the Xbox 360 controller. So let me show you guys how to reset your pad in case you want to use this pad for your PS4. And just don't forget, but whenever you're resetting this pad, you have to hold the share and the option button again so you can pair. So I'm going to show you guys how to reset this pad. So once again, guys, that's all of how to connect your controller. So for most of you that want to find a way to reset your pad, this is how to reset it. Go ahead and click on this. You can see there's a round button here, right? So I'm just going to put my stuff to the hole and insert it and just press it in. You can see it has reset the pad and it does disconnect. Everything has been disconnected from this. So that's how to disconnect, or that's how to reset your pad in case you want to use it for your PS4. So that's it, guys. Turn up your post notification for the next video, and this is how to reset your pad. So thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, turn up your post notification, and leave a comment below. See you guys in the next video.